In this video, I'm going to show you how to make underwater sound effect on Filmora 13. So you can see I already added a video, a sound effect and a background music into the timeline. So let's check a preview. Okay, to make underwater sound effect, first go to where the subject jump into the water. Then select background music and sound effect and split this. Then go where the subject is moved up into the water. Then again split this. Okay, then go to the effects section. Then go to the audio effects. Then go to the voice changer. Then go down and add this diving sound effect into your both splitted part. Okay, now let's check preview. So you can see our effect is done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.